Here is how to display a Google Map within your Click and Collect widget. Navigate to the App Settings page and click on Click and Collect. Scroll down to the Location Settings section and check the box to enable Google Maps. Next, paste your Google Maps API key into this field. If you don't have one, you can click the link provided to view documentation on how to get Google Map a key. Once you enable Google Maps and click Save, a visual map displaying your store locations will appear directly within the Checkout widget. The second filter option lets you activate a geographical search filter over the map interface. By turning on both the geographical search and address autocomplete checkboxes, the widget functionality expands. Customers will now be able to search for specific locations using a dedicated search bar directly on the front-end page. Finally, the third configuration setting allows you to implement a filter by region control. This will show your location's regions or states in a drop-down over the map interface, as demonstrated here. Users can look through a clean drop-down of location states. Here also you can see how address autocomplete drop-down will show when customer type their address.